Yeah, baby. Don't skip this advertisement. There's an evil doctor trying to steal my AI business plan. And if you click the button, it's yours. But if he captures me, you may be stuck in a job you hate forever.
$1 million to whoever can bring me Mr. Powers. To whoever can bring me Mr. Powers. To whoever can bring me Mr. Powers. To whoever can bring me Mr. Powers.
Wow, big spender. No one's gonna do it for $1 million. Idiot.
Hush! I will not be disrespected in my own frickin' evil lair.
It is 2025. Perhaps $1 billion, Dr. Negro?
How about no, number 2.5? Why offer $1 billion when we can offer 100,000?
That's less genius.
Wait, you hush it.
Don't be a jerk.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I offer you a hush puppy?
No,
Oh,
stop it.
No diddy. No diddy. No diddy.
Look, all he is saying
Say
is...
hush to my little friend, Laser.
At least hear him out.
Chuk mang nai moi. Subtitle, hush. Laser.
How about you hush?
Hush me, no hush you.
Hush who?
Oh, 2 girls, 1 hush. Double laser.
I hate you.
Oh, enjoy your vacation. Having a little eat, pray, hush moment. Allison Husherland. Oh. Minin Hush too. Okay, that's enough. I'll get Mr. Powers myself.
Find him, Mr. Powers!
Mr. Powers. I can hand over the AI business plan.
Why, Dr. Negro? Does my plan make you Randy, baby? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Throw me a freaking bone here, Mr. Powers. Clearly, I went the plan for world domination. It's enough. It's enough. So that's a bit much. Here, bring it here. You're here. Bring it here.
I'll behave, Dr. Negro.
The people watching this advertisement right now deserve more time. And when they click the button and register for my training, that's exactly what they're gonna get.
Yeah, baby.
Right. How about we settle this the old-fashioned way, Mr. Powers?
If I win, everyone watching gets my plan. If you win, you get my plan and my mojo.
You win this time, Mr. Powers.
Groovy, baby. Click the button to get my plan.
What's wrong, Dr. Negro? Feeling stuck alone too? Trying to get unstuck to the future? Forrest stuck? The Stuck Panther? Charlie and the Stuck Factory? By my plan, so you're not stuck like him. Yeah, baby!